In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Lucky Orange on Shopify. This process is straightforward, and it starts with finding the right app inside your Shopify admin. As we go, you will be clicking through a couple of screens, so keep an eye on the app search results and the install button when you see them. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, look for the section where you manage or add apps. In most Shopify stores, you will find this by going to the Apps area or to the place that lets you browse the Shopify App Store. This is where you can search for tools that integrate with your store, including visitor recording and behavior tracking apps like Lucky Orange. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct admin area, because the options can look slightly different depending on your theme and plan. Next, you will search for Lucky Orange. The key action in this step is to use the app search function and type the app name. You should enter Lucky Orange into the search bar. Make sure the spelling matches the app name closely, because a correct search term will bring you the exact listing you need. Once you have typed it, submit the search or press enter so the results load. After the results appear, you should see Lucky Orange as one of the main options in the list. Merodenes Amphisaltir and Burtinians. After the search results appear, install the app. Choose the Lucky Orange app from the results and open its listing page. On that page, you should look for an install option. In many cases, you will see an install button near the top or in the main action area. Click Install to begin the setup process. This step matters because installing is what connects the app to your Shopify store, allowing it to access the pages and events needed for tracking. Now that you have initiated the install, Shopify may show a confirmation screen. This is a normal part of the process. You might be asked to confirm the permissions the app requests or to approve the installation for your store. Read what the prompts say so you understand what you are authorizing. Then, if everything looks correct and it matches the app you intended to install, you can proceed with the confirmation. This ensures Lucky Orange can integrate properly. Please, once you complete the install confirmation, Shopify will finish adding Lucky Orange to your store. At this point, the app should appear in your apps list within the Shopify admin. You may also see a status update indicating that the app is installed and ready. This is an important check because it confirms that the installation step actually completed successfully. After Lucky Orange is installed, you can return to the Lucky Orange app in your Shopify admin to continue with any in-app setup steps if the app provides them. However, for the instructions we are working from, the core actions are the search, the selection, and the installation. The reason this is effective is that Shopify handles the connection and the initial integration through the install flow. To wrap up, you searched for Lucky Orange inside the Shopify App Store, selected the Lucky Orange app, and then installed it into your Shopify store. If you followed along and you now see Lucky Orange listed in your apps area, you have completed the setup portion covered in this tutorial. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.